In the open ocean, there is a predator so powerful, so intelligent, and so feared that even great white sharks flee the moment it appears. It does not rely only on size. It does not rely only on speed. This hunter dominates the ocean using something far more dangerous: intelligence, teamwork, and strategy. This is the true apex predator of the ocean, the orca, often called the killer whale. The orca is not actually a whale at all. It is the largest member of the dolphin family. But what makes this animal truly terrifying is not just its size, which can reach over 9 tons. It is the way orcas hunt. Unlike most ocean predators that rely on instinct alone, orcas plan attacks, communicate with their group, and execute coordinated hunting strategies that rival the tactics of wolves on land. In many regions of the ocean, when orcas arrive, every other predator disappears. Orcas are perfectly designed for ocean supremacy. Their powerful tails can propel them through the water at speeds over 30 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest large predators in the sea. Their black and white coloration acts as natural camouflage, blending into the dark depths when viewed from above and into the bright surface when seen from below. But their most powerful weapon is their brain. Orcas have one of the largest and most complex brains of any marine animal. Scientists believe they possess advanced problem-solving abilities, long-term memory, emotional intelligence, and even cultural learning, meaning hunting techniques can be passed from generation to generation. This allows each pod to develop its own specialized hunting style, making them one of the most adaptable predators on Earth. Unlike solitary hunters such as sharks, orcas hunt as a coordinated team. Pods often work together to surround schools of fish, create massive bubble nets to trap prey, or take turns striking from different directions to exhaust large animals. Some groups have even developed a strategy known as wave hunting, where several orcas swim together to create powerful waves that knock seals off floating ice. Once the seal falls into the water, the hunt is over within seconds. This level of coordination is rarely seen among marine predators, and it is one of the main reasons orcas dominate nearly every ocean environment they enter. Because when one orca hunts, it is dangerous, but when the entire pod hunts together, survival for prey becomes almost impossible. Perhaps the most shocking fact about orcas is their relationship with great white sharks. Great whites are often considered the ultimate ocean predator. Powerful, fast, and equipped with rows of razor-sharp teeth. But when orcas appear in an area, sharks immediately abandon their hunting grounds. Researchers have documented entire shark populations disappearing for months after a small group of orcas entered the region. Why? Because orcas have learned a devastating technique. Working together, they flip the shark upside down, placing it into a state called tonic immobility, a temporary paralysis. Once immobilized, the orcas target the shark's liver, a nutrient-rich organ packed with energy. In many cases, the rest of the shark is left untouched. This level of precision hunting shows not just strength, but calculated intelligence, and it proves that even the ocean's most feared hunters are not safe when orcas are nearby. Orcas do not limit themselves to small prey. They have been recorded hunting animals far larger than themselves, including massive whales. Pods have been observed working together to exhaust large baleen whales, taking turns chasing, biting, and blocking escape routes until the animal becomes too tired to fight back. This process can last hours, sometimes even longer, demonstrating the incredible endurance and coordination of these predators. What makes this even more remarkable is that each pod uses different strategies depending on the prey they target. Some specialize in fish hunting, others in seals, and some are known to focus almost exclusively on large marine mammals. This specialization makes orcas one of the most adaptable apex predators on the planet. Orcas do more than hunt, they shape the behavior of entire ecosystems. When orcas begin hunting in a region, seals change their movement patterns, sea lions avoid certain feeding areas, and sharks abandon their territories entirely. This ripple effect alters the balance of the food chain. Few predators have the ability to influence entire marine ecosystems simply by appearing. Even more fascinating is how young orcas learn. Calves stay with their mothers for many years, observing hunting techniques and practicing coordinated movements until they become skilled hunters themselves. This passing of knowledge from generation to generation means that the intelligence of the pod grows stronger over time. In a way, every new generation of orcas becomes more experienced than the last. Despite their terrifying reputation, attacks on humans in the wild are extremely rare. In fact, there are almost no confirmed cases of wild orcas intentionally hunting humans. Scientists believe this is because humans are simply not part of their natural prey recognition system. To an orca, humans are unfamiliar and often ignored. This does not make them harmless, but it shows that these predators operate with remarkable selectivity and awareness. They are not mindless hunters. They are strategic apex predators. In the deep blue oceans of our planet, countless predators compete for survival. Sharks rule many waters. Giant squids lurk in the darkness. Massive whales roam the open seas. But when the black dorsal fin of an orca cuts through the surface, even the most powerful hunters know one thing: the true apex predator has arrived. Because in the ocean, strength alone does not decide the king. Intelligence does. And that is why the orca remains the most feared predator in the ocean. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Animal Empire for more wildlife documentaries revealing the most powerful animals on Earth.